What's up, guys? Fellas, ladies, gentlemen, Mrs., Miss, wherever you go by, welcome back to the channel. So I don't necessarily have a topic today. I was kind of thinking of making a topic today, but no topic. But actually, I say we get started off by letting me show you my highlights from fishing today. Actually, I went fishing earlier today, and it was actually really nice kind of warm morning for it being fall. So it was a lot of fun, actually. So let me hand off the mic to myself fishing. Every time. Ooh, that was a good one. You know what, while I'm reeling this one in, let's talk about today's sponsor. I hope you guys like that one. I thought it was funny. I think it's too shallow here. Okay, we're gonna call it quits. This battery's about to die. On that note, catch you all on the next fishing trip. Now back to me on the bike. Peace out. All right, so thank you to myself. That squat happened. Oh man, I don't know why I can't catch bass for shit, but man, I can't even get a nibble. But oh well, that's okay. I'll stick with my trout fishing and I'll keep trying. That's all I can say. That's all I gotta say to you guys too. Just keep trying. Keep trying. If you're trying to learn fishing, learn riding, learn anything, just keep trying. Eventually you'll get it. Nothing comes natural, and I don't care if people say, oh, that came natural to him. I call bullshit on that. Pardon my French again. Nothing comes natural. No matter what skill it is, you have to work on it. I'll give you an example for myself. So growing up, I had a massive, this is kind of funny, I had a massive fear of answering the phone. Now, whenever caller ID became a huge thing and kind of became standard on home phones, I still didn't answer the phone. I don't know, I just had the weirdest fear. I really can't explain it. But I had that fear all the way up until I was 21, 22. Knew the phone number of somebody calling, and it was like my uncle or my mom. Then I would answer, but I wouldn't answer for anybody else. I had to better myself at some point, so I went to a vocational school and got job training. I chose the line of work I still work in, actually. Eventually I finished that school. I came back and I got a job. I didn't last very long at that job because of politics and other stuff. Weird rules that I didn't realize that I signed off on in an employment contract. Oh god, that was huge. Fast forward, I want to say 2 years, and I officially got into community corrections. It's a halfway house for you guys who don't know what that is. Working at community correctional facilities, you have to answer the phone a lot. There's a lot of rules that residents there have to abide by, and that involves calling the facility for everything they do. Calling for location changes, meaning they're going from work to home. On their way back calls, meaning that they're coming back to the facility from work. So you're answering the phone at least 100 plus times a day, plus you're making phone calls. But I had to work at it. And it didn't come natural, you know, obviously, because I had a fear of it since I was a kid. But eventually I picked it up and I got used to it. And the more I got used to it, the more I succeeded at it. The more I was able to not only conquer that fear, but to also be able to say that's a skill I have now. And I had to work on it. Another example is sports. Now, a lot of kids are naturally gifted. I guess you can say that's not exactly the same thing as it comes natural. It just means that the kid has more of a mindset during their upbringing and younger years where they can be able to adapt into an athletic life. My sport of choice was baseball. And I played that for nearly 15 years. You know, over the years, you know, I was even able to go to the Little League World Series. You know, it takes hard work, but nothing comes natural. All right, nothing comes natural. But just better yourself. You know, work on it. You know, that's a good thing to bring up. So, like myself, I didn't choose the college route. My mindset back in that time was a lot different, and we can make that in another video, and I could discuss it in another video. But my mindset was not the same as it is today. Education is key. Like right now, I'm almost 30, and at this stage in my life, I should be, well, according to statistics, I should be making upwards of $5,000 plus a month. Didn't take a traditional route. I have no college experience. So to get where I'm at right now, at the job that I have right now, it took me years to build up the experience. So I finally racked up 4+ years of correctional experience. I took the initiative and applied to where I work today. They liked that I had a lot of specified training. They were actually pretty happy that I had that experience. And I think that gave me a boost. I had to develop the experience because I did not have the education. Give college a shot. If you don't want to do college, that's fine. I would also suggest trades. And trade workers are needed bad. It's great money. It's great opportunity. Good gosh, you can make some serious money. Electrical apprenticeships, they don't pay the greatest, but when you're done with that, you'll go from starting off at like $15 an hour, and once you are officially done with your apprenticeship, you can make upwards of $30 to $35+ an hour. Think about that. The SUV in front of the car in front of me's blinker's still on, and it's been on. But anyways, to sign off on that topic, do something to better yourself. Even just starting off small. You don't have to go and get a degree in business and all this other crap. You know, start off with a CNA. Go, you know, medical billing and coding, medical assistant. Those are short-term programs. You're not away from home as much. You know, it's meant to as an accelerated course, so that way you can get your future going. If you decide to take the college route, start off with community college. you'll save thousands and thousands of dollars in the long run of your education. Great use of signal, bro. And on that note, sorry I keep adding on to the end of this, I keep saying that, but on that note, myself too, I'm not just preaching to the choir. I am also looking into going to school. For what? I have no idea, because the few things that I want to do, they don't offer part-time schooling for. Kind of sucks. But so I'm looking into other alternatives. I want to thank you guys for tuning in. If you stuck it out this long, you rule. Remember, like, share, subscribe. Have a great day, everybody. Stay warm. Keep your eye out. Ride safe, drive safe. Remember, motorcycles are all around you. All right, guys, signing off. Peace out, crew.